Welcome aboard this stunning 2021 Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 is a well-regarded cruising sailboat known for its excellent blend of performance, comfort, and innovative design. The boat showcases a modern, stylish look with clean lines and a sleek profile. The hull features a contemporary hard chine design that extends from the midsection to the stern, providing increased stability and a larger interior volume. A long, graceful waterline delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. Twin rudders enhance handling and maneuverability, particularly in challenging conditions. Jeanneau is known for its high standards in construction, and the Sun Odyssey 440 is no exception. The boat is built using vacuum infusion processing, ensuring a strong yet lightweight structure. Boarding the 440 is easy from either the swim platform or either of the side gates. The cockpit is spacious and features twin helm stations. There is seating at both helms and along each side of the cockpit. The cockpit is well protected by a custom dodger and bimini. This cockpit is safe, secure, and comfortable while cruising and at anchor. At the stern, the transom includes a power fold-down swim platform that can be raised and lowered with just a push of a button. The swim platform extends the usable space and has teak deck that provides excellent traction and easy access to the water with a stainless steel boarding ladder. Behind the protection of the folding transom is space to securely store a life raft in a location where it can be easily and quickly deployed. A large central teak table of folding leaves and integrated storage is easy to move around and provides plenty of room for meals and entertaining guests. At the stern of the cockpit is a deck hatch, providing access to the generator. At the port helm is a Raymarine chart plotter. At both helm stations are Harken 2-speed electric winches along with both the jib sheet and main sheet, making this an easy to single-hand big boat. At the starboard helm, a Raymarine chart plotter, bow thruster controller, and quick windlass control and anchor chain counter are mounted where there is good visibility and easy access to the controls. The console at the end of the table provides an excellent location for the Raymarine autopilot and wind instrument. The cockpit design offers an excellent 360-degree view. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to easily accessed and controlled Harken electric winch on the cabin tops. The walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward on wide side decks. Continuing forward is easy with stays that are positioned to not impede movement. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the quick windlass and handheld controller, which is stored safely below a deck hatch. The boat is equipped with a bow locker that provides an excellent location for storing deck gear or sails. Deck hatches are flush fit, enhancing safety by eliminating trip hazards and places for lines to snag while sailing. A high aspect mast with its end mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate. Moving aft, the walk-around deck features makes accessing the cockpit safe and exceptionally easy. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with a wide companionway and gradual steps that contribute to a feeling of a unified space between the interior and exterior. Once below, you're greeted with a bright and inviting interior, while the sizable saloon is bathed in natural light. The interior of the Sun Odyssey 440 is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It features a spacious, open-plan layout with plenty of natural light and ventilation. The seating area is comfortable with a U-shaped settee around a central table. The large U-shaped galley is positioned to port and is designed for practicality. It features a stainless steel sink, solid surface counters, a stove and oven, and a large fridge. There is a in-counter freezer to the right of the stove, and the microwave is designed to a hideaway area under the countertop when not in use. The 440's ample counter space and storage makes it ideally suited for extended cruising. Aft and to port is the functional navigation station. Moving forward, we enter the forward owner's cabin. The central island bed adds to the 440's level of luxury and comfort. Hatches and ports allow copious amounts of light to enter and provide an amazing view from the cabin. The side ports are equipped with sliding shades that can block all the light out. The cabin is well ventilated and features good storage solutions. The private head is spacious and very functional, featuring an electric freshwater toilet and an elegant sink. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a folding plexiglass shower door. At the starboard side of the salon is the aft head, which also features an electric freshwater toilet, elegant sink, and spacious walk-in shower with plexiglass door. The Sun Odyssey 440 has two large aft cabins that are bright and comfortable spaces with excellent standing room and plenty of room over the bed. Additionally, the starboard cabin has access to the head. The port cabin also has a bright and comfortable space with excellent standing room and plenty of room over the bed, along with access to the battery switches. Access to the engine space is from the aft cabin and under the companionway steps. The engine and engine spaces are clean and meticulously maintained. The 440 is equipped with a Yacht diesel engine. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sun Odyssey 440 strikes a perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view this 2021 Sun Odyssey 440, contact Little Yacht Sales.